How to factory reset Samsung Galaxy A53 5G hard reset. Now if you can't access to your device, then what you want to do is press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds, while also pressing the volume down key until the phone turns off. Once our device is turned off, we're gonna switch immediately to holding the volume up and the power key for a couple of seconds. When the Samsung logo is displayed, release the buttons and move through the menu with the volume up and down keys until you reach the recovery mode option. Then you're going to press the power button to access, and with the volume buttons, go to the option white data/factory reset. Here you're going to pass the power button to enter, and a screen with many no and jazz will appear with the volume keys. Again, go to the jazz and press with the power key. After finishing again with the volume keys, click on Reboot System. You wait for all that process and then press the power key of your Samsung Galaxy, and then the device will reboot and take several minutes to start, while restoring the device to its factory state. So we just have to wait for that. Alright,